In today's video, I'm going to teach you what happens when you archive WhatsApp chats. Archiving in WhatsApp is a simple way to clear clutter without losing anything important. Think of it as tucking a conversation out of sight so your main chat list stays focused while the full history remains safely stored. It doesn't delete messages, it doesn't block anyone, and you can bring the chat back whenever you want. Start by opening WhatsApp and heading to your main chat screen. Find the conversation you'd like to hide, press and hold on that chat until you see it selected. On many phones, you'll notice a highlight or a small check mark to confirm it's been picked. If you'd like to archive more than one at a time, keep tapping additional chats to select them as well. This is especially handy when you're doing a quick inbox cleanup. Next, look to the top right of your screen for the archive icon. Depending on your device, it often looks like a small box with a downward arrow. Tap it once. That's it. The selected chats move out of your main list and into the archived section. You'll usually see an archived row on your chat screen. That's where these conversations live. They're hidden from your primary inbox, but they're not gone. Here's what actually changes after you archive. The conversation history stays intact. Messages, media, links, and starred items are preserved. Archiving doesn't reduce storage, and it doesn't remove the chat from backups. It also doesn't notify the other person or the group. From their perspective, nothing happened. They can still message you normally. By default, in current versions, archived chats stay hidden even if new messages arrive. That means those conversations won't jump back to the top of your main chat list and typically won't bother you with notifications. When you're ready to check in, open the archive section to see what's new. You can also use the search bar to find archived conversations by name or keyword. They appear in results just like any other chat. Archiving works the same for individual and group conversations, and it's a great way to separate active threads from those you only need occasionally. If you ever change your mind, you can easily bring a chat back into your main list from the archived section, no data lost. So, to recap the flow, open WhatsApp, select one or more chats from your main screen, and tap the archive icon. Your chats are simply hidden, not deleted or blocked, and they'll stay out of your way until you want to see them again.